How is everyone doing today? I'm Wooly, the crazy license plate guy, and this is mystery license plate package 301. Let's grab from the top of the pile, see what's in here. And after we show you this plate, head over to the special features, only found on YouTube. If you're not following us on YouTube, Wooly, the crazy license plate guy, that's where you should be watching this. But if not, it is what it is. But we'll have some extra stuff, some more plates similar to this, maybe a few facts about said location, whatever. Only found on YouTube. Check that out. St. Martin Island, the friendly island. Got black on blue. R for rental maybe. 2418. We'll look up what type of plate this is and what year this blue one's from. They just change the color every year, so there's no year or sticker or anything. Never know what year it was. Smells like 2017 though, that's my guess. We'll see how close I was and if I was right. St. Martin Island, the friendly island. It's friendly in blue. What about you? I'm Wooly, the crazy license plate guy, and if you want to know more about this plate, follow us over YouTube. Make sure you're on YouTube. It's the place to be. Check out all my videos, all my stuff. But we're going for special feature times, so if you're coming, let's go. Are you coming? Let's go. Come on, YouTube. See you there. Woo! Mystery plate package. Special features. 301. St. Martin Island, wherever it is above my head there, somewhere beside my head, I don't know. It's 2008. Rental plate. We found all the info. Found a bunch of cool ones too from St. Martin in the Caribbean. Like this 1968. Black and silver with the V on there. I don't know what the V stands for. Visitor maybe. But all the rest of the ones we'll show you today are rental plates. Like this purple one. What year was that again? 1974. Purple and yellow. And then 1984, we go to kind of yellowy with maroon letters, maybe purple again, reversed for stickers. And then we jump into the tabs, 1988, that red one. And the whole left side of the plate there, that's like a little tab date thing that you had to get with your plate. Even though they changed it every year, the whole plate and tab. I don't know what the purpose of the tab was, but it's there. It is. What else we got to show you? 2003, it's pretty cool looking, tealy color. 2005, I think, with the view. Cool little scenery on that plate. The beach of St. Martin. Check it out, it's a sweet looking island, isn't it? Just drop that in there real quick. We got a few more plates to show you. There was a red, white, and blue one. There was this cool orange one from 2015. And then a newer one, like 2022. Another scenery on there. St. Martin, it looks like a sweet place to go on a Caribbean holiday. I never been there. Just got that license plate from there. That's it. Off the rental car. What do you guys think? You ever been to St. Martin's Island? What's it like? Let me know. Drop a comment. If you're from there watching this video, that'd be super cool. Drop a comment and let us know what it's like living on the island. I'm Wooly, the crazy license plate guy. This is mystery plate package. Special features. 301. Have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome year. Find some cool stuff. Go on an adventure. Go check out a Caribbean island. Do whatever you want. It's your life. Have fun. Get into trouble. Go watch all my videos and hit that subscribe button. I'm out of here. Woo! Thanks and shout out to alpka.org for providing me with some of the pictures from their archive. If you want access to all these awesome pictures in their archives, become a member today. That's alpka.org, the Automobile License Plate Collectors Association. Thanks again for watching. Mystery plate package, special features, 301. Check out that beach.